Hey guys, this is Phoenix Plays here, and I just want to let you know that before this video starts, I just want to let you guys know that the intro you're about to see is actually going to be the official my bad, is going to be the official intro for the channel. There isn't going to be any other intros at all. This is going to be the normal trailer. I keep wanting to say trailer for some reason. This is going to be the intro that you will be seeing for every single video. I'm not going to have any multiple trailers. Why do I keep wanting to say trailers? I don't know. I'm stupid. You know what? Just go ahead. That's just going to be the only intro we're ever going to have on the channel. No more other. You're only going to have one singular one.
I'm just a step away. I'm just a breath away. Losing my faith today.
Hello everybody, this is Phoenix Plays here, and welcome back. And the last video I did was how to create your own YouTube logo. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. I even made a video right before that. It was how to download fonts. I will leave a link to that video in the description below because you're gonna need that video. You're gonna have to know how to download fonts if you haven't already downloaded a font that you like for this. So the apps that you need are gonna be Safari, Google, or Chrome. Either one. You're gonna need Safari and Fonto once again. So the same apps that we used for yesterday's video. And let's hop straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go into Safari and look up like YouTube banner template. So once you have that done, what you want to do is that you want to find an image just like this one right here. You're going to hold down on it just like that and click Save Image. Once you have the image saved, you want to go into Fonto. Click on your little camera right here, go into your photo album and load up the image. Once your image is loaded, what you want to do is that you want to go back into Safari or Google or Chrome, whichever one you're going to use, and you want to look up a cool background that you want for your banner. So personally, for me, where I would go is that I would go for red and black stripes. Now that I'm here, I would scroll through and find the one that I would like. I guess I can go for this one. Save the image. And boom, as soon as you got the image that you want saved for your background, go back into Fonto. Next, you want to go into these three lines right here, click that and click Add Image. And then as soon as you have selected your background, you want to make this as big as you can to where it covers the entire image behind it. And as soon as you got it to that size, just drag it back down to where it's out of sight and tap on the image that you added in the first place. And you want to add text. And now add your name. What I usually do is that I have Phoenix as one separate font and Blaze as a different font. As a different text, my bad. Okay. There we go, and as soon as you have added your name, just go ahead and click on it and click Style, then go to Create Color Pattern and pick it to where it somewhat matches your background. So what I would do is I would go for dark red, and here I go for this. And I go for 3 colors, and I have it go vertical. Just like that. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Don't forget to add your stroke to make sure that it isn't that bad, to where you can't see it in your, because if you can't see it in your background, then that's kind of messed up. So I'm trying to make this as best as possible, making sure you can see it. The white stroke does not look good to me at all. I don't like it, but it has to do. And then as soon as you're done with that, what you can do is that you need to go on back into Safari or the place that you use to browse or anything like that, and look up your social media. You could go to, if you have Instagram, get the Instagram logo. If you have Snapchat, do that, look it up. You got Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitch, or anything like that. Just put it down below. Just search this stuff up and you're gonna get it. So once you have your other social media pictures ready to go, quickly go into add image and add them in. Now you can see that for me, they're a little too big, so what you gotta do here is just size them down. For me, I would go down to 25. That's good, and I would move them just like this. Just like this. Just like that. And right after that, there's just one little thing left to add. All you gotta do here is just click add text, and if you either have a slogan or anything, you like, since mine is let's play, I would add let's play. Once any of that stuff is done, take the image that you had earlier that you want your background to be and just drag it up. But if the your social medias like your Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, or whatever, if that's not showing up, tap on them and then tap off and go to the next one, and then that should fix it. And just apply it to where you want the text to show, and there you go. Next thing you do, save your image, click OK. And then, yeah, that's it, man. After that, we're all done. You should be fine. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Hopefully this helps you out. Bye.